Does your voice ever feel trapped in or muted, like it just won't open up? If that's you, you're not alone. In this lesson, I worked with a singer who had such a beautiful tone, but her sound was getting stuck. I walked her through the song line by line, and I showed her a few small adjustments that opened up her voice instantly. Hi, my name is Rebecca, and I'm a vocal coach and the creator of the Confident Singers Workshop. And for singers who want to go deeper, I also host small group coaching sessions. So if you're interested in opening up your sound and learning step by step how to free your voice, check out the link in the description below. All right, so before I show you that clip, I want to address one big misconception. A lot of singers assume their voice feels trapped because maybe they're just not good singers or their tone is naturally small. Now, here's why that's not true. Your voice doesn't open from pushing or getting louder. It opens from space and freedom, not effort. I like to think of your voice like a hallway. When you speak in a broad, open hallway, your sound naturally carries without you having to do anything extra. Strong resonance comes from that openness combined with the right placement, which, by the way, placement changes depending on what the song requires. And resonant placement is a whole topic on its own that I'd have to go over in another video. The singer you're about to see had that exact challenge. By the way, her face is blocked out to respect her privacy, but listen closely to the sound changes because that's what matters most here. Don't force it. Just relax. And then, so start from Lord, if I find favor in your sight.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Lord, if I
Uh-huh.
find favor in your sight.
Sigh, or if you're going to keep it straight, find favor in your sight. You hear the difference? Versus find favor in your sight. You hear the difference? Find favor in your sight or side.
Find favor in your sight.
Good. That was better. That was better. Okay.
Lord, please hear my heart's cry.
Perfect. Let's stop for a second. And I'm going to interrupt you a lot, so I'm sorry. It's just
No.
we're working through. Okay, good. We're just working through line by line. So, Lord, please. I kind of want you to do the please and falsetto. Please, because it's prettier. Instead of Lord, please. I mean, that's fine, but Lord, please. It's softer and nicer.
Lord, please
Mm-hmm.
hear my heart's cry.
Perfect. Okay, hold on, hold on. So I noticed something that you're doing, and I know it's nerves you're working through, but you're kind of like looking up to get the note. I kind of want you to get out of that habit and just kind of like look straight ahead. If you don't want to look at me, you can just look off to the side, but I don't want to see this. Like, Lord, please. Because like it's like, you're not sure, you know? So, Lord, take your time. Lord, please. Try that.
Lord, please
Uh-huh.
hear my heart's cry.
Hearts cry. Could you do that?
I
That's better. Okay. Okay.
desperately waiting.
Yes.
Be where you are.
Yes.
I'll cross the hottest desert.
Mm-hmm.
I'll travel near or far.
Good. Hold up. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. All right. You're jumping ahead. But because that was great. And I think it's because you're feeling more relaxed. But you were giving me some riff in there. I like that. So I want to hear more of that. So can you do I'm desperately waiting again? I'm desperately waiting. That was great. Let me hear that again and then do the whole thing too, and then you can jump into For Your Glory. I just want you to do it again so you can hear yourself.
Okay. I'm desperately waiting.
Mm-hmm.
Be where you are.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'll cross the hottest desert.
Mm-hmm.
I'll travel near or far.
Hold on. I need you to open your mouth. I'll travel near or far. Because you're kind of keep your mouth is like, I'll travel, and you're not getting it out. So can you try that?
I'll travel near or far.
Do you hear
Oh,
the difference? You hear the difference? I had so much fun working with her. She continued to come back, and with each session, her voice became freer as she let go of her insecurities. I'm telling you, mindset is another big thing I address in my workshops. Think of it like an intensive class. And my small groups, oh, that's where we get a chance to go deeper for several weeks, which, in my opinion, that's where the real transformation happens. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below and tell me, what is the one thing you struggle with as a singer? This helps YouTube bring my videos to more singers like you. Thank you so much for watching today. I really love helping singers like you shine because I know what it feels like to struggle with your voice. I like to say it like this: singing has a way of reminding us of who we are and who gave us our voice. And if you're ready for real growth, I want to personally invite you to my Confident Singers Workshop. I will teach you what took me 20 years to learn in one session. I don't know, I think this could be the start of something real for you. Seats are limited and this workshop won't be available forever. You can check out the link in the description to save your spot. And don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment just to say hello or whatever. All right, until next time, keep singing.